Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to apply for a Wells Fargo credit card. So, in order to apply for a Wells Fargo credit card, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you just have to go and log in into your account. So open up a browser and type in the link that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com. That is going to take you to the official page, and right on this page you'll be able to see a list of credit card that's available on Wells Fargo. So accordingly, you could go through the information or the section that says learn more and get more information about the following credit card and apply it accordingly. Now let's say that you've actually selected a particular credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and select apply now button. So when I press on it, it's going to take me to the field where I can start filling out my application. So to begin with this procedure, you just have to go ahead and enter in your personal information, your contact details, your security information, your financial information, and then your card options, all of these. Mark on the terms and condition and click the submit button. And when you have actually provided the following information, or if you have actually applied the correct information, then you'll have successfully applied for the credit card of Wells Fargo. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.